Okay, so I am unboxing my Mulberry Bayswater Mini. Here is the stuffing that's on the inside of it. It's always packaged real well. Nothing is ever damaged when you order directly from Mulberry. They send their bags in a bag, which I love because you get the kind of store experience. The Mulberry England green, traditional green bag with the black ribbons. And it comes with the mulberry paper. It's got little mulberry trees on it. Let me see if I can show it to you. Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see the mulberry white on white. And the little mulberry sticker. I've never gotten anything from Mulberry that was damaged. And then the dust bag. It says Mulberry England. It's made out of cotton. It's a thick cotton. It's a very nice dust bag. It's just the inside of the mulberry bag. And so I went for the oak Bayswater Mini. I have oak and other things, and I've been loving the Alexa Chestnut. This is very similar to the Alexa Chestnut. It's a little bit more red, but very, very similar color. Here's the strap. It's packaged real well. I think that's why nothing is ever damaged. You can see it's a really wide strap. I love the strap on the Bayswater Mini. And the kind of the silver gold hardware. Very, very nice color. It looks just like the Bayswater. I have the regular Bayswater and it looks exactly like it, but it's adorable because it's just a small version of it. 2 handles. Here's my hand for a comparison so you can see how small it is. I think it's only about 7 inches wide and less than 6 inches tall, but because of the shape of it, it's a really good use of space, and I can get everything in this bag, even with it being. So here, I'm going to compare it to the Alexa, the regular size Alexa, not the Alexa Mini, and see how much smaller it is than the regular size Alexa. So if you like smaller bags, this is the one for you. I found the Alexa regular size just too heavy, where the Bayswater I can pack just completely full, and it's not ever going to be heavy because it's small. Plus the strap is so good. It's got the Nappa, the burgundy Nappa leather, which is a super high quality leather, and I find this Bayswater easier to keep clean on the inside because of just the leather that they've used. It's really pretty. Got some credit card slots, so you can not put a wallet in there if you choose to do that, or maybe your favorite credit card, just easy to get to. I never look at these Mulberry care cards. I should open them one day. I'll try and get a flashlight and show you the inside so you can see a little bit better since it's dark. So you can see the difference. The Alexa is behind it, and that is in the color chestnut. Here's the key fob. It's got the little mulberry tree on it, and the mulberry tree on the actual leather also. I don't like where it is right now. It's in the front. It kind of gets in the way, opening, closing the bag. So I've moved it around to the back, which I really prefer it on the back because then it's not in the way of opening, closing the bag there. Plus, you can kind of hang it over the front, so you can still get the look. I think the look of it is an important part of the bag, so you don't want to remove it. Nice hardware, nice postman's lock, 2 handles. You could definitely carry this bag with just the handles. It would be super cute like that. The strap, love the strap. The strap is much better than the Alexa. The Alexa regular has a really thin strap. Let me get this on and then I'll show you the strap of the Alexa compared to the Bayswater. See how the Alexa's like 3 times the size of this, but it's got this tiny strap which really hurts my shoulder. So I'll probably use the Bayswater strap from now on my Alexa. You can adjust it. I'm pretty short, but you can make it longer or shorter. Here it is on, and you can see how it lays really flat on the body. It's got a little extra D-ring on it, and I just can't even tell I have this purse on. It's so comfortable. Love the strap. It's cute too. No feet on the bottom, but this bag doesn't really need feet. It's a little bag that you're not going to put down. It does hang sideways when you drop it down, so you are going to have to keep it closed. And then here I'm sitting it on the floor with the Alexa, so you can again see the difference in the size. I think it's important to kind of be able to see the difference in the size of that versus the Alexa. I think this is my new favorite bag. I didn't know that I would love it so much because it's so little, but I can fit everything in it. And it's lightweight, and I like that I can just throw it on my shoulder. I like the Alexa too. I do like it for traveling because you can put more stuff in it, but the Alexa is a beautiful bag. But I think the Bayswater, if I had to choose one, I would get the Bayswater. Fortunately, I can swap between both of them. I put this on my Alexa just to see if I could tell the difference in the color, and I really can't. The oak and the chestnut are the same. So this is the inside with me using a flashlight. You can see the burgundy color and the Nappa leather that's inside. There's not really anything in this except little pockets. And you can easily put the flap in the inside if you're just kind of in a hurry. I kind of do that with the regular Bayswater. I don't have any trouble. This one's more structured than the other Mulberry bags, so you do not have to have an insert for this bag. It will shut without the insert. Here's my normal insert, a small insert, and it will not fit in this bag because it's too high. This one I think is less than 6 inches tall, so you're going to have to use like a size 19 from Amazon. Just Google insert size 19 and they'll come up. This is the difference in the leather between the Alexa and the Bayswater. It's got like a bigger pebble grain on the Alexa, and just they're both beautiful. Here you can really see the difference in the leather between the Bayswater. The Alexa's on the bottom, but Bayswater's on the top. They're both beautiful, but different. And of course the color's different. It's a little more richer color on the Bayswater, the oak at the top, and on the lower is the chestnut.